Look up.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard.
Tita, calm down.
Mugatong na ako sa Manila ba?
Ay, ganito rin yung gimikapan ka.
Ay, mahal ka ito girl ba lang sige sa Manila right? Si ko gilak na niya. Oh my gosh. Pila pa may kabuk ng pila.
Ayun?
Yeah.
Asa mo ito sinunod? Sunod po.
Busy. Okay girl, but this is too much. Nakahangin na ito na sa
We need to stick it with...
this is taking too long. Grabe po.
Kailangan natin i-stick yung ano. That's why I don't
so
like...
hard. I thought kaya na akong patawag fake lashes sa first game madudok. I don't think so I can.
Yeah, you can't. Like,
Yeah,
it's
like-
so itchy.
So, takes practice, girl. I'm crying already. It's too much. Hi, vlog. Grabe ka puffy sa akong face. It's white and it's awkward. Gosh, wait lang. Help me survive. Help me survive. This is too much.
Wait lang.
I cannot breathe. Okay,
Wait lang.
Did you make it? Oh my gosh. I'm
Not
not even
yet.
opening my eyes. Just struggle. Okay, what kind of makeup artist are you? You're like pressing my eyeballs.
Oh no, it's
I'm
not...
crying. I'm crying. Ano lang, girl?
Go.
I think it's not gonna work out. Like, look, I'm so... Oh my gosh. Help me.
Calm down.
Good, your hands are so heavy.
Really? Yeah.
Look, I can't even open.
May isa pa lang.
Oh my gosh, it's piercing my eyes.
Isa pa lang. We have like
This is enough.
five
No,
more
this is
to go.
enough. This is enough.
Tita, hindi nag-akyat yung iba mo. That's why. Sige, dalawa-dalawa ko na lang.
Oh, grabe siya baka first. Wait lang.
We need to stick that kay kumaunog yan.
Gina. I'm strong.
Why?
Natanggal na. I think we should give up. Ay na lang.
No. I'm not giving up.
Sayang nga to din ito magamit, girl.
Yeah.
Di, dali lang itikpan kipag wala akong tears.
But this one's
How
going
about
to fly.
ma-instruct ka, like, focus, tita, look up, ano ba? Ano, motivate?
Okay, fine. Just relax.
Okay. Okay. Please, taod na. Girl, nahundang yung motivation.
Ay, sorry. Kanta na lang yung ano, we gotta stick
Okay,
it.
okay.
Wait a minute.
Natanggal na po.
Hindi. Hindi, like nag-ano ka ba?
Oh.
Sige ka, tremble.
Yeah, super. So emotional. Tawa na, wala kayo mo kuan. Ibutang na concealer.
That's funny.
Ow!
Cause like we need to raise them.
Are we done? Come on. Wow, girl. Me so pretty. Tama na, another one?
Yes.
Can
Hindi
we
hindi naga-akyat yung eyes mo. Eyes mo? Ito. Eyelashes.
Ouch. Okay.
Yan, yung sumakit yung pandikit.
Okay.
Please ko, tita.
Okay, sakit. Okay, I cannot open it anymore. Okay, wait.
Matulog ka na lang. Tulog ka muna.
So, pwede pa yung?
Sige, piyong ka na lang. Let's try.
Pwede ba?
Kasi
Cause like, whoa.
we need to stick it na lang man.
Ow.
Tita, tiis ganda.
I know.
Wait.
Ano pa siya mga dudo? Mga dudo sundugon ta ka magtampo ko lashes.
Go daw. Go
Open
daw.
na. Girl, gabi, I'm so igat. Like, the igatest ever.
Tida, I hope it doesn't fall. Cause like,
So embarrassing if it falls.
you cried na. Okay, let's do the other one. Since di na natin
This
kaya
is
tatlo.
over. Yeah.
Is that Daddy?
Maybe. I can't be a celebrity.
Kaya pala bilib na bilib sila sa akin kay matakot ko ng maayos
Oh.
ba. Ay, ito pala yung struggle pala.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kumaganito.
Ano naman ka good?
No, like, noon pa. Kapag sa contact lens din.
Yeah, sure.
Lagi silang bilib. That's why.
Mm. So you have something to be proud of, girl.
Meh.
Nee. Gabi akong eyelashes mo nagka-dumaon mo duha ka buhok nagana. Oh. Like yours is so pretty.
Really, this is 3.
Oh, so pretty.
Pero tanggalin ko pa rin mamaya.